And we turn left here onto Kayu Aya street, and commonly known as O'Brien. Like I said before, from here down, all this 20-25 years ago was just, what's this? Oh, this is the corner house, which is pretty.
The goat.
Alright, so that was the corner house. Oh mate, it's just stopped traffic all the way. Check it out. Bumper to bumper, blocked traffic all the way. I don't know whether you should get out and walk. So this whole area was known as O'Brien. It was all rice paddies, all of this, about 25 years ago. I was going to buy some land here actually, and it was 10 ara down here further, right where Ultimo is, the famous Italian restaurant. And it was $10,000 for 10 ara. And an ara is 100 square metres, 10 metres by 10 metres. So had 1,000 square metres for 10,000. Now it's worth 1 ara, 100 square metres is worth $200,000. So if I had bought that land, it'd be worth $2 million now. So it just shows like you can't buy land down here anymore. It's only all for lease and that. So, but instead I bought a house up in the village, which is still alright, up in North Bali for, I think it's $10,000 for 4.5 ara on the water nearly with a house on it. So that's how cheap it was back then. You just can't do that anymore in Bali. Right, so there seems to be a fair few people walking around down here. It seems a lot busier once you get onto this street. So there's a lot of spas and clothing shops, money exchanges. It's basically everything down here, and you can automatically see how busy it is. It's just as busy as up at 66 or Padma Street actually down here. So this is Maddie's restaurant, which is pretty popular on the corner here. Anything on a corner or with a good view of the road's normally pretty popular. So now this is the goat. There's plenty of goats around. There's about 4 or 5 of them now. The goat. Hey bro. And yeah, there's a lot of shoe shops, a lot of high-end shops down here too. There's another big spa. Got a Guardian pharmacy here. So there's everything you need down this street. It's a little bit sort of more high-end than the Kuta. Like Kuta's, you know, Kuta's Kuta. But there's a lot more bigger villas and more high-end accommodation down this area and that. Yeah, it's a lot more busy than what I thought down here. Now, this is a good restaurant here, the Italian job. There's a fair few Italian restaurants down here. Got gelato shop, Amanda Resort and Spa. What else have we got? Alright, so we've got Nirvana, Cafe Bali, the Crosties. It's a lot more busy. It really is busy down here. So this area is really thriving at the moment. Got the Rip Curl shop, it's been there for years and years. Yeah, now it thins out down to, actually there's a flea market down the road here, which is open every day. And it's got like food and just clothes and stuff like market style. We keep going down this road to come to Petit Teninga. This is Seminyak Square in here. Bunch of shopping centres. It's not really a mall, it's just a bunch of shopping centres. And just down here is the flea market. Further down the street here we have places like Kudata, the famous beach club on the beach. It's Kudata. Just down around the corner is the flea market. We'll see if it's open now. I might have a quick look. Okay, so we're at the little flea market at Jalan or Jalan Kayu Aya. And we're just going to go in and walk through and check it out, see what's here. I don't think I've ever looked through here before. So Yuli actually makes and sells all this sort of stuff. These sort of things too, kaftans, kimonos. She just sells bloody zillions of them online. So if you're in Bali, download the Shopee app and look for Ramayani Collections. If you're in Bali, you can always get a grab delivery to your room or whatever. Yuli's got some great stuff she makes. Hello, Robert.
Hello. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. All right, so which way are we going? This way, that way?
Hi, Mister. I'm tired.
Are you tired?
Because
Capek,
very quiet. Many tourists not shopping.
Banyak tourist sini, banyak.
Not buy, only just looking.
Tourist pelit, ya?
Tourist split. Sometimes shopping, sometimes no.
Yeah.
Where you from? From Indonesia?
Nah, Australia, but
Australia.
aku tinggal di sini sudah lama. 29 tahun di sini.
You speak Indonesian very well.
Kan, ya.
9 tahun di
Your
Bali.
wife?
29.
Your wife from Indonesia, sir?
29.
Lama di sini.
Lama.
Yeah.
Di sini.
Too long. Family rules. Oh, there's good little things you can hang on your wall. Yeah, some great little souvenirs here, ashtrays and little Buddhists and wood carvings, some good stuff. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had a look through this market ever, really. Sort of always just drive past. I didn't realise there was so much stuff in here. These are pretty popular, these raton bags and that. The girls seem to like them. Yuli used to export them to Australia and sell zillions of them. Yuli's a bagaholic. She's got her own big glass front cupboard in the lounge room just full of bags she collects from everywhere. About 10 bags for every day of the month. It's fairly busy in here, a lot of tourists in here having a look around, which is good for business, I suppose. These are really nice, look, all made from shells, the mother of pearl inlay. Very nice. Good souvenirs, things to take home. I don't know what's up ahead up here, maybe a big sports bar or something, is it? Up the back here? It's a big sports bar up here, really. Right, so they've got every sort of sunnies you can think of. Polaroid ones. Right, I don't know what this is, like a bar or something, restaurant out the back. Warung Bernadette. Smells very smoky, so there's got to be some sort of barbecue grill or something going up here. Yeah, let's check it out. Seems pretty busy too. Oh, there's all different warungs in here. Yeah. You know, little sports bars and... Alright, this looks like cooking classes or something going on in here. You see there's chefs teaching them at every table what to do. It looks like they're making nasi goreng and mee goreng. Oh, look at it. Hello. Is this a cooking class, is it? Alright. Alright, very interesting. It looks alright too, it's making me hungry. Uncle Roger's watching. Hey? Making me hungry, didn't it?
Some more MSG.
A bit more MSG, that's the way, yeah.
And then fish sauce, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So this must be the master chef, this one, Chef Komang. Very good. Alright. Well, that was something different. And I never really seen a cooking class in action before. Very nice. Alright, so I'll try and find Yuli. Oh, here she is. So, Warung Nia, authentic Balinese food and cooking class. So, I'll leave a link to this in the Google Maps so you can find it. And then on this little street at the back of the market, there's still more little shops and restaurants and stuff. Warung Bernadette, Mahi Mahi, a few more shops over there. Yeah. So, definitely, down here at Seminyak, it seems way more busy than up around Legian for sure. It really is buzzing at the moment, so Anyway, I'll leave a link to the name of Overeye Street or Kayu Aya Street and where it is. And I suppose this is the place where it's all happening.